Most people are not lazy. They just don't know what to do first. If your mind is confused, your body doesn't move. So hey, welcome back to day 6 of my self-improvement journey. This is Sony and welcome back to my channel Way to Fluent. So in this video we are talking about the time management because everybody has only just 24 hours in a day. But how we able to manage our time, it is the important. So today I am going to share how I start managing my time and it's changed my life. You don't need to perfect routine or lots of discipline. You just need to clear system. So first, earlier I also feel that I have not time for myself, and because at that time I'm not able to manage my time. But now when I learn so many things, after that I learn so many things, I watch so many videos about the time management to then I am able to manage my time. And now you can see, being a mother of 3 kids, I live with my in-laws, I'm working. Even though I'm working on myself, it is not possible for anyone. But how it is possible, how I manage, how I have time that much? When we start managing our time, then we able to we can take for time for ourselves, for our rest, for our self improvement, for, you can say, for skin care, everything's health related. We can do exercise, everything's when we have time. So how we can manage our time? So let's get started the video. First one is, plan your day before night. Means, suppose that tomorrow we have lots of work, which kind of things we have to do tomorrow, it's keep in your mind. If you not able to means, you can write down in your diary, but it is not possible to write every day, because I try to these kind of things just few days, but after that I didn't write down in diary. I just keep in my mind what kind of things I have to do next day. So in this way I can manage my time. And I wake up in morning, then I have to know, I have to clarity on my mind what I have to do. So in this way I can reduce my stress, and I have to clarity what should I do or what should I not have to do. So before you think, just, no matter you are working, no matter you are housewife, student, everyone can do this kind of things. अगर आप हाउस वाइफ हैं, देन आपके भी माइंड में ये होना चाहिए, कल मॉर्निंग में मुझे क्या बनाना है, कल मुझे लंच में क्या बनाना है. प्रिपेयर योर ऑल द थिंग्स इन योर माइंड, सो दैट जब आप उस काम को स्टार्ट करोगे, देन यू हैव टू रेडी, योर माइंड इज ऑलरेडी रेडी, and you in your mind you have to clarity what should you have to do. And second, always prioritize your work, because because we have a lots of work in all day. But what work is very important for us, you can prioritize your with important work. First you do your important work, which is very important for day-to-day life and your workplace. And if you student, which subject is very important for you have to learn. Then if you have time, then you can go with the other work. So in this way you can feel that you are, end of day you feel that you have to do productive work in whole day, and you can see the result also. And another things, you feel that yes, you have to do your work on the time, important work on time. So it is very important. I also started with that things. That's why I'm sharing with you, because I seen the many people always said to, I have no time. just because of they are, you can say, they are not able to manage their time. So that's why. And third thing is, keep away from your phone in the morning. I seen many people just wake up and scrolling their phone. They watch social media, Instagram, Facebook, and they spend many time, and they didn't know how much time they spend. After that, they feel, oh, they feel regret, they feel stress. What should I do? What should I not do? They always feel hurry. So it is not good. In the morning, you don't touch your phone. If important, then only you can use your phone, because morning is very important time where we can, very, our mind is very, you can say, very sharp. Where mind is sharp, we have to clarity. And if we use, then everything is mixed up. So don't use phone. And whole day you have to need to focus how much time you have to spend with your phone. You have to clarity these things. And fourth thing is, wake up early morning and sleep on time. It is very, very important. If you, because when we wake up early morning, then we have lots of time for ourselves, for doing something. And always try to go sleep on the time. It is very important. When you sleep on time, then you able to wake up early morning. Otherwise it's just not possible. So always fix your time. Like suppose that if you wake up 5:30, then you should have to maximum 9:30 and 10 you sleep on the time. And if you not able to wake up early morning, then what should you do? You just start. Suppose that you wake up 8 o'clock, then you suddenly, if you change the 6 o'clock, it is not possible. You can wake up one day 6 o'clock, but other day you feel tired and something, boring, means you're not able. So instead of switching the long time, you can just start with the 15 minute. Suppose that you wake up 8 o'clock, then you just start 7:45. In this way you can reduce the time, then 7:30, then 7. In this way 15 minutes just you can start. And when you sleep on the time, then your energy is safe. You can you can save your energy. And next day morning, when you get up the early morning, then you feel that you are too much energetic. You feel that if you all night you scrolling your social media site, then definitely in the morning you feel low energy, and you have not energy, your mood is also not good. So it is not good. And sixth point is, focus one task at a one time. Means whatever you have to, whole day you have lots of work. Sometime people are starting to multitasking. Earlier I have also this kind of habit. I always do that. So many things I have to do, but end of day, end of month, what I feel, I nothing get anything else, because my mind is not focused only one side. Always my mind is divided, so many things I have to do, I have to that, but result is nothing. So instead of that, you just focus one things in one time. It is very important. I realize that, and nowadays I am just focused. Whatever work I have, I just focus one on, and after that finishing this work, I just start another work. In this way I can get the good result. I feel my day is productive, and I can finish one by one my task. Otherwise all the task is थोड़ा थोड़ा काम हुए रहते थे, and nothing is complete. So this is the things. In this way you can also manage your time. When I start the manage my time, so now I can feel that I have the time for improve myself, and for my self care I am doing exercise, everything I am doing. And I am also and I am doing my house chore work. I'm teaching my kids everything. So how is possible for me being a working? Just because I manage my time, I implementations those things in my life. So if you feel that you have not time, then just start, whatever I share with you, you can start applying your life, so that you feel also you have time, so can you also get time for yourself. It is very important. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you feel something important, something interesting, then please subscribe and like this video, and I will be come topic with another topic. Thank you so much for watching this video.